Okay. First of all, DeathVanessa, she was getting hacked with on June 1st, 2021. Make sure don't join this game. They will be hacked on June 1st, 2021. Your account will be hacked. Make sure just change your passwords on your Roblox.
Yeah guys. Don't join this game with Ragdoll engine. Your account will be hacked. And before that happens, and DeathVanessa, she's going to get hacking. And she will be restricted. Or she will be clout. And make sure be careful.
And let's check out on DeathVanessa on her TikTok where the videos was found.
1、2、3、にゃん、ありがとう。
Куми, хаба, хаба, лака, лака, куми, хаба, хаба.
Before she was getting cloud. And please do not join it before she's going to get hacked. Don't play Ragdoll engine in June 1st, 2021. She was turned into monster.
Yeah guys. Before June 1st, 2021 and be safely and make sure stay offline or change your password on May 31st, 2021. And make sure stay safe on your Roblox. Back to you on the studio.